Good morning, friends. I am Ezekiel of Serana School, Kalkari, Watpad Education Society. In our last two period, we have learned parts of speech. Now this is third lecture. We have to learn clauses. After this unit, we have to learn simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence. So, this unit is dependent on clauses. If you understand clauses, this unit, you will understand simple, compound, complex. So, listen carefully. What is clause? पहिल्यांदा सर्वांना हे सांगतो की हा जो घटक आहे हा घटक इयत्ता 9वी ते 12वी 4 वर्गांसाठी आहे. स्पेशली इयत्ता 8वी स्कॉलरशिपच्या मुलांनी सुद्धा हा घटक लक्ष द्यायचा. 8वी स्कॉलरशिप इयत्ता 9वी ते 12वी सर्व विद्यार्थी. What is clause? Clause means a group of words. A sentence. एक शब्दाचा समुच्चय असतो पण छोटस वाक्य असतं क्लॉज म्हणजे. Clauses has two parts. Clauses has two parts. Main clause and subordinate clause. It is called a dependent clause. What is main clause? Main clause means a sentence, meaningful sentence. It has its own meaning. This sentence is not dependent on that sentence. It is independent sentence. It has its own meaning. So it is called a main clause. It is called a subordinate clause. Why? Because this clause is dependent on that sentence. It has not its own meaning. So it is called a subordinate clause. डिपेंडंट क्लॉज. याला म्हणायचं मुख्य वाक्य, याला म्हणायचं उपवाक्य. हे वाक्य या वाक्यावर आधारित असतं. आता या मेन क्लॉज हॅजंट पार्ट्स, याचे पार्ट्स कळत नाही. बट सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज हॅज 3 पार्ट्स. Which are subordinate clauses? They are noun clause, adjective clause, or relative clause, adverb clause. What is noun clause? Noun clause means a clause which function as a noun. नामाचे काम करते मग त्याला noun clause म्हणायचं. Function as a subject, function as a object. कोणत्याही वाक्यामध्ये सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट हे नाउन असतं. म्हणून फंक्शन एज अ सब्जेक्ट, फंक्शन एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट हे काम करतात. याला नाम क्लॉज, नाम उपवाक्य. इट इज कॉल्ड ऍडजेक्टिव्ह क्लॉज. व्हॉट इज ऍडजेक्टिव्ह क्लॉज? ऍडजेक्टिव्ह क्लॉज मीन्स ए क्लॉज which tells more about adjective. It means the function of adjective clause is as a adjective. Function as a adjective. हे adjectives काम करतात. नाम कसं आहे ते सांगणारं वाक्य. It is called an adjective clause or relative clause. What is adverb clause? Adverb clause means a clause which tells more about. Clause which tells more about verb, more about action, or more about adverb. हे कृती कशी चालते, कोठे चालते, केव्हा चालते, कृतीविषयी अधिक माहिती सांगणार clause. त्याला म्हणायचं adverb clause. Function as adverb. This clause, function adverb clause is function as a adverb. More about verb is clause tense. Okay. Subordinate clause has 3 parts: noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. Now remember, students, we have to know to identify noun clause, to identify adjective clause, to identify adverb clause. आपल्याला ओळखायचं आहे नाउन क्लॉज कोणता आहे. ऍडजेक्टिव्ह क्लॉज कोणता आहे, ऍडव्हर्ब क्लॉज कोणता आहे? कारण परीक्षा असे क्वेश्चन्स असतात, आयडेंटिफाय द सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज अँड नेम इट. आयडेंटिफाय द नेम क्लॉज अँड अंडरलाइन द लिंकिंग वर्ड. सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन्स आर देयर. आपल्याला हे ओळखायचे आहे तो क्लॉजेसचं नाव लिहायचं आहे. सो हाऊ टू नो, हाऊ टू आयडेंटिफाय नाउन क्लॉज. नाउन क्लॉज स्टार्ट्स विथ what, why, verb plus who, preposition plus whose, verb plus that, how. Noun clause starts with these connectors, these subordinators, these subordinate conjunctions, these linking words. These are linking words. These are subordinators. These are subordinating conjunctions. हे दोन वाक्य जोडणारे शब्द आहेत म्हणून त्याला सबऑर्डिनेटर म्हणतात, किंवा त्याला सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन्स म्हणतात, किंवा त्याला लिंकिंग वर्ड्स म्हणतात. नाउन क्लॉज या लिंकिंग वर्डने सुरू होतो, या सबऑर्डिनेटरने सुरू होतो, म्हणून त्याला नाउन क्लॉज म्हणायचं. ऍडजेक्टिव्ह क्लॉज, हाऊ टू नो, हाऊ टू आयडेंटिफाय ऍडजेक्टिव्ह क्लॉज. The clause which starts with these words, so that clause is called the adjective clause or relative clause. या कनेक्टरने, या सबऑर्डिनेटने, या सबऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन्सने जो क्लॉज सुरू होतो त्याला adjective clause म्हणायचं. This clause tells more about noun, function as an adjective. What is adverb clause? Adverb clause कसा ओळखायचा? How to identify adverb clause? Adverb clause starts with these words. Many words are there. After, before, while, when, where, wherever, if, unless, whereas, because, whenever, though, although, even though, as soon as, since, so that, as if, until. Adverb clause starts with these words. And adverb clause tells more about verb, more about action. How action is going on, where action is going on. This adverb clause tells. So, remember all of you, clauses has two parts. Subordinate has three parts: noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. So let us see some examples. Examples of noun clause, examples of adjective clause, example of adverb clause. For example, what? If I tell a sentence, in that sentence, noun clause is there. I know what you want. I don't know what you want. What you want, this sentence is a noun clause because this sentence starts with the what. I don't know why goes there. I don't know why study. Why न start झालं, what न start झालं, ते त्याला म्हणायचं noun clause. I knew how he studied. I know how he studies. How न start झालं, noun clause म्हणायचं. ते या शब्दाला सुरू झालं तर noun clause म्हणायचं. For example, adjective clause. We have very few time. So all the examples, I can't tell you. Very few examples I tell you. Adjective clause. Taking first group. There is a person who is very happy. There is a girl who is very naughty. There is a boy who is very handsome. Who is who is very handsome, who is naughty, who is big, who is fat. This sentence is called an adjective clause because this sentence tells more about person. I want. There is a car which is red. I saw a car which was very big. I saw a tree which was very small. It tells about tree. It tells about car. So this is called adjective clause. Remember, there is fee plus that. Here is fee plus that, and n plus that. In both the clauses, that is there. This clause starts with that. This clause starts that. But before that, for is there, that is called noun clause. Before that, if noun is there, that is called adjective clause. Example I take. He explains that. He says that it is a crime. I explained that. He was very happy. She says that. He told her that. He was happy. Before that, verb is there. That is a noun clause. In that, I want a car that should be red. There is a car now. Before that, if noun is there, adjective clause is there. It is called adjective clause. For example, I have there are many words are there. Any words I take. Whenever I go to Mumbai, जेव्हा जेव्हा मी मुंबईला जातो, I meet my friends. Whenever I go to Mumbai, this is subordinate clause. It is called adverb clause. Though I studied hard, I couldn't get the first numbers. Though I studied harder, it is called a adverb clause because it starts with though. Wherever I go, मी जिथे जिथे जातो, I take enjoy of swimming. I take enjoy of reading. Wherever मी स्टार्ट झालं, तुमच्या अर्ध्या वाक्याला पाहिजे adverb clause means. Unless if I work hard, I shall get success. If I teach you, you will understand clause. Each सुरुवातीचे वाक्य आहेत ना, these are called adverb clause. Unless you try harder, you will not get success. ये सुरुवातीचे unless वाक्य आहे ना, unless you try harder, it is called adverb clause. So, as soon as, many words are there. As soon as the teacher entered the class, he was welcome. As soon as the chutney is ready, the mixer will be switched on. As soon as I saw a tiger, I ran to him. As soon as she comes home, she switches on the TV. As soon as I entered a city, I took enjoy of watching. As soon as you put as I go there, I meet my friends. So this sentence starts with these words, so that's called adverb clause. Remember carefully, these words are called subordinators or subordinate conjunctions or linking words. These clauses, these three clauses starts with these words. Remember how noun clause starts with. Remember how adjective clause starts with. Remember how adverb clause starts with. If you understand these clauses, this unit, so you will understand simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. In our next unit, we have to learn a simple complex compound. So read carefully. It is homework for you today's period. Open your textbook. In that textbook, find noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause, and write 10 sentences of noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. So total 30 sentences you have to write and identify these clauses. Okay. Now I ask you a sentence. I know how he studied. I know how he studied. Identify the clause. Name it. In that sentence, how he studied noun-clause. How he studied noun-clause. Such type of sentences are there. Okay. Did you understand this process? In this next period, we have to learn simple complex compound. Okay, stop here. Thank you.